Hello everyone, a konton dobe bukanang Jungle Online TV le alla le ris banta balen drong a Mariam le bali jang ani nyimi mo Aisha Siseti ante ku kala drong fokaso anale nyu konton den sinan topic ko na fale nang bi programme to.
Barka bake Mariam. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi mbadi jibil lal nga mul bi konto bake altuanal konto annal badi paladron Aisha LCC. Ala ladies bande bal solo.
Okay, alia mwele wala albadi mati drong Aisha LCC anyway bin na topic ko be kala media te because nga jele aketa kulete mi anan ko abe mantoro na te kan banko kam bakele andun dol mumullete mi anan ko we are media practitioners at the end of the day ni finita sate kono e kam moy mol kam problem atol journalist or atol le sate tinya okay there's one problem membe kering gambe jang mo biyer mi an ko media practitioner but actually amaka journalist oti because coming ka fale nyamendro wato wati nga fo mol yele just because ibe do wala media to or you were doing what others are doing doesn't mean ite mu journalist wolte because sometimes ikam mo jele camera babulle mic babulu the person is going around abe mol nyinin ka kan but actually amaka journalist oti so gambianul nyanta wo understand that because journalist ya ika karanne at the same time luwal le biji sartol le ba dala mi yalan ko ika wala tamani te as a journalist so ni tama nyin karang imanya sartol ni nyin luwal lo mote ko man dano journalist so nyanta wo understand la so aketa kuti mi yalan ko liana fe ba ka nyimbango kam because wato dol biji kam mo jele anala mic aning ala camera abe yay kan selu kan ka dindingol nyinin ka rol mi yalan ko wala mote andum bengal ko journalist yato sarto dol bije mi yalan ko enyanta wotala ni be dindingo nyinin kala because enyanta consent ala from ala parents or ala guardian wala moti mimba maraling dindingo nyina andu normally ngajere nyimol bin kanyinin karo ke I don't think they do that because ibukata school o ten dindingol ka ben silol le kan anno amakulati mi yalan ko amanya because wato dol bije ka dindingol je kanyin kuma bakata ko wala fo andu natata finta dunia nyala do mol ka kawa dini woni na diamo le fo akata to a point where eka ala bululal fa ngonen ka ko okay imagine dini ngulu o amantara buluto or something like that and sometimes am ka ke wodi o dini ngola bululal ni nateje o eni benta ba jelal ko coming ite ni mira nuito aning wolbe nyami they are quite different anu dolbi je ka kem molti mi ngoy dino soto e hormo soto ye bunya soto dindi mo dobi je fang aka kulu suwo kono le barna fenta selo kan a kodi amam moje akana ke mo sifa dol mi yalon ko coming ima kulu wala suwo kono so mbela filale gambenol ye hakilo to nyum ko bedo amanke ko coming me dindi ngol da male blem la wala la wulu lal min kanyinge bot mol min fanam be nyi interview wol ka kanyen selo kam nyante hakilo to la because luwal le be nyin ko to e baaje la wodi ndingo famo ye min nyinin ka ala wulula li right soto le pour ka nyimmo samba filo nyato natara they are not satisfied with nyimmo ay la dindingo tamandi wara samba taram bulo minna bele felale yo fana understand because ka jere normally ika video dol fintini dindingo ka kumo dol foje is terrible very terrible because aka kuma ba sifal mo ke mire la mo sifal jumal le nyindi ndingo kulu faye hayita pour ka nyim kuma ba sifal bunda da kon o aka nyim kumol moy mun dole nyindi ni mo as young as this or as young as that aba akumol fo kam min yalan ko komin hani ke ba fango subhanallah ta hanyala ka bunda da kon dindi mo ba ko mo fo kan aysa mbele felale ifana ko ndim fo
Mariam yemi fo jabi kuma tabakale ante bita miliya wala milka video nyike ko yafo nyame ni ilafta ka diamu tindo e media to e ka diama ala alfalle ni be soko saytina do ni dino be sido kan ya ni ka fenna ni yalon ko ite fa yalon ko ni ngani ni ka nyina ala jabiro to bete yalla ba hanu ya ni ka bari te lafta le pour yi follow sol soro kadi ka ga wala nyama ngaji le say na tiktok e ka dindi merentu yi ni ka ila kambano ko yala o make ko beto de fan kala dindi o yente ya alundi sila kendo kan alon ko nyine betiata nyine man betia par sai ite wonatina ko ya fa nyame ngo botana alfa kendo le bal sai ta aussi ba ke wala nala alfa nataje ila alfa alfa maybe betata silo kanne bari to comfortable kadu ni tambita ba falo ko ni millier le ba falo ko nyine kare bamadi wala nyine kari fama ha watara alfani mo fellon ate be sol kono aja di moy ni mañake so wala ñenti hagir la bakela anon tiktok mañana ket la dal damen to alon ko ñenta ti ñaaro la kala ji ya tiktok warata ma fo mobi mul bela bije bari mi biye wala siara ali say nin mon ko kendo kenoji mañana ko jaw kala ji say ngaje dinol be mo telephone so adi beta dino min na telephone do yaman tiktok tele yo mo so gambia
hana bije fana amansiya actually yeah amansiya
say adun alfal fanan ite diwo ba tiktok tiktok account babu bari dem maka jiba ka bide nyaade la jibeje ala fanan contributor ko to ni dino bebul adun da fiyo fendo na ba nyama ite wulule ite nyanta wolonna ite la wulu na ti nyaade telon na da na itelo kad mul be telefon mul yetelo yalla mu dinni wala wona ku jawke ni ba pare kari diwo ite to tambala noji kan ni ko kari ite la wodi to ko lay ne diwo to la kan sa yita jibela le aka dum fem fonte ite hala adi inkaje ke babal fona ka tara social media ka tara kumul fokan media nun ko ite ko mo ka understand ko ni ko mo kindul be nyin kala lay mo kindol ina na si adi mika ka ke babal mbi ngai tiktok ko don e ka live ke kel ni musul be kanana bi kadal ko mol fuka min dala ko mol man be ni ite wujun ba barola kana modo dum je mi yalon ko mari mala fi kake ayala modo biye mi adna ngo fa skena modo jibe la do biye wol ita understand ite e kana tiktok live ke adi te yalon ko nying ngara mi fa mo betea minan tinne baki la je ilafta mil be don ila wala live nyito ite ye call whatsapp call ye be joinde ali akataje yalla mutata tiktok to nya mutata tiktok mo jama la biye be la whatsapp call yalla ite telephone la ite la mobile la do la mobile la o mo la haji bare ni man tara sirinda le tamo ni dafta wonte ba tiktok maybe ni ndi de budi ni kunjarote ngami be ko dul foka mi yalla ko ndebe ko bari dakalo de tamila
okay now understand like I'm for what at the end of the day ikam mul min for if I'm being fan defend I mean wala your rights so the good card because they are free people I understand but on the side of the kids okay what side ning I think wululal nyante la e dingol monitor la on that because there's this parent guide or something app minke mako for you to know what your kid is watching on their phones. You understand? So I think at least nyanta will download that. So anyway, woman nyana wondong fanang just because if somebody is trying to stop them, they are trampling upon it all right. Manke excuse for them to do some of those things out in the open. You understand? But right now, be jamano mindo. Everybody have their own right, so they do things as they please. But one thing, if you're doing anything, remember there is somebody watching out there without experience. And nintanga nyinke akata repeat le anu naba repeat la abita kudo le kela maybe more than ntenga mimfonu or more than ntenga minke, and the repercussion might not be good for the society or mari la parents or. And at the same time, you minka interview fananke. Nobody is stopping them from doing that. Nobody is stopping you from asking kids. But at least try and ask them questions. Minialgo, they will be of good to them. Abetol makwele at least. Educational question will be jeli. Educational songs will be jeli. We had all of this Twinkle Twinkle Little Stars, Baba Black Sips and other educational songs. Gambia Sunyureo, we had all those songs. You can get a line from them. Ask the kids and they will tell you. Isn't it? But right now, they're asking kids questions that because, okay, below is child abuse, isn't it? So why are you asking a kid below 18 who is your boyfriend?
Yeah.
Is that not child abuse? And actually, something has to be done in order to stop that. Because okay, ngane futunde below 18, we cannot do that. We shouldn't. It's child abuse. But why are you asking a kid below 18 if they have a man? Is it not almost the same thing? I cannot have a husband below 18, but I can have a boyfriend. Does it make sense? Boyfriend and husband, are they all not a man? They are. So I think Nying ak Kule Mialonko, it should be looked into. Because I cannot have my child go to school expecting ko abasele nang so konole from a knowledgeable house, whilst akata dulal to Mialonko, they will be imposing things on him that I wouldn't want to be imposed on the child. You understand? And I think school authorities should look into this. They should stop it. It doesn't matter where the child is, but in as much as na school uniform ole babal, I have control over that child. So if I have control over that child, I'm going to ask anybody doing an interview not to interview my student without my consent. Not to do it. And if you do it, I have the right to take you where I'm supposed to take you. You understand? Because I could remember time when I told St. Joseph. And I don't think you would see any student from St. Joseph's taking part in interviews like this. Do you know why? Because minkete interview nate malonko, you will be dealt with. It is student you will know that you will be dealt with mercilessly. And if you're being dealt with, hani minu be ya fang suwo kono tol fon ka kala mutal ko la ke be tarambulo tamandi kakan
wala betiya
because ibba mani fama me suwo kono fa tol fon te rest la no, they will not have peace. Every now and then they will be called for a meeting. You will be asked to do this, do that. Ye tu wisan ton fo la mo te fama tor sinin soma ne moje min ka interview fonke ka mol nyin ka nyin diam kalantangon itibe bor la fo ka bor and what I remember in school of they didn't send you away. But yet tanin namin ke dunnim finto ke samba office ke dun ke finti molbe jela ke selendi assembly to ke jindi ka kuwal kel moda makanya ta ni de bota woto da ni de ka kudole mira minni wo man kilim ngamre ni school be nyinki la tarambulo diningol betilina okay it a parent you don't care about your child doing this or that or saying this out in the open proudly, but our uniform is there. So until we will deal with it. Blue black. Ni okay bajira then at least nim problem wol bimbe society ko na betalala because nti jakal tele aisa dindi ngol ko kuma bal mi bonni da because nte li nga dol jibe mbukalo nyanta mu ne fama fol because gandi ko nti ke baba fon defo ma defan kaw fo fan mol kaw jibe ka ko kar le ñendi dindingol kaw kuma bal and they are bold enough to look at the camera like this yow kuma bal fo
dul defay ko ñu baane kenn ke
because haninte fo mimu media person mi yalon ko like camera entera dawda hani yankuni sinol mbek wulli nante baralante jarjaral dindingol ko hani ka kuma bal mi bondi da nte fo ninte ko mbo bon dan dato camera ton sa jarjare te fo nga bare ja because fentem fo ko moñi na depth ala waroni and they do it boldly out in the open without thinking twice. Iman sila wulula la je, iman sila teacher la je, iman sila principal la je. Yalon tol sila kam mol tol dati je bukan tol jibe fa. Ni jamano continue tateng if we have parents like this. Bital la banna mundul. Jamano ka kele mol yele jamano kele. They have done things. But knowing that there are things that are not worth bragging about. Ibuka, they don't show off. Moli ku kele jamano tamita moli ku kele min tamita yombe minke kan jambi. Amanke mol makere. Moli akere. But do you know why you haven't realized it? I didn't realize it. It's because we didn't tape it. What am I driving at? What I am actually driving at is ñin video li ka minke, ñin natalo li ka minke, ñin diam bali ka minke on the tape. It's there forever. why nko is there forever munam because nite a jindi nite keleta pour ka jindi okay na sister len let's put it down afatale o aketatene akebata la say let's put it down mimbe mobile molla mobile kono la gallery kono you cannot put it down am possible mune bina kele be still after 20 years after 25 years video nye finti kote kay sakulen what can you do about it yeah modo be batu kan wolto actually abe batu kan wolto after 25 years ite ko bina kala president leti o be lola parliament le o be kala député le then ila video be finti lati only when what situation or arise they balon e ba understand the mulka min complain you will understand mulka min kumbono you will understand what your parents were running away from. Okay, dindingol mba folele but it all they will not understand. But at least kebal minu ke interview, kebal minu ka nyinke. Come on.
Inde la bakela ya. Anu wol ike ila moto soko na kali domal be bulla.
Atay fanna how will you feel ni moy nyinke domal. Atakela kuti mian ko be dialele so at least let them try and stay away from it. Aisa abedamente nyin dia mo takela kuti mian ko mba prolong lole. So I would want you to say bye to them at least near ku fula soto wara sabay be min tule bulu jandron is okay before we leave the studio.
Oh, okay, Mariam. Ko nga fa nyang floto dibe la ko bi nakajani mbe ko mayala bakela ko mbela mo nyola. Mariam ko kende bal fa ko de be nga jel mul be ka wandi so wonte be min fula dorong ite la camera be bulu ila michael be bulu o manyana ne ka ku jawke wala o manyana ne ka dinol londi silo kan ka fuko dindi won ikala fi camera la wala fendol kal mudu bije kal dinno kala fi camera la so wala ne fanan ko manyake ila sister sol bu so ko ne ita la wala o manya sifaki ibadi mul bije la ni almi yalon ko ina man dem pakilin fakila be so na wala kalite i malla fi mo kuru mo yeboy ila family to say kana mo kuru bondi wonde family to alo fo mom fe an dindi wol fanan alon ko ita la dindi yalla ni saya manna lumbi na be kala ba malati ko lebe kala family say bi comme te for example nte ba ma bi nata dawda mba introduce la molel ko ha nyine mba mat adum bu wur la rek kadu mi nekata ay ku kendo rek ba say ninte mom bula wosin nono ma yalla mbokku jawla kala say sa wonte dingo no bente fala mula ba ku jimela so yalla fo mom fe
so ni ko ay sa dingol ti
aha ibe ku jimela kadu ba fala ko nyim ba ma nyeku ni ay ku jamala ki jamila lan ko mambete ya so ntigam kabente ka fo ntigam ko selande sando kabinde o ka bo ya ko jimi dum ya do mum te so ni nga fempo mi ya lon ko ni silo manta ba ko dan la mo beblu talon ko dia mum mandia ala barka bake ko ngala nan ko de
anyway ndela dia mo si ala katu ngamira ay shafanan almost everything for le minyanta for la don mbaf la dindi wala don let them be careful let them review the things they do before doing it let them talk to their parents before endeavoring into anything any activity talk to your parents first before you decide for yourself because maybe it may decide that you feel that that's fine that's okay but in the future ni murunta ya review you would find out that it's not something that you like so please alka chance dia la let them help you because it all hakilo nalta mankiling itama machot follow ya mbasaro tala janne drong fo wati ko tege inshallah ning kacha mi bu ko nyi ndong drong alla dedis banta bato kal hakil bulandi ko albe jongul online tv le jibe kan lu Aisha Lendrong and Mariam for what you got please alkaranyina in case alman subscribe I'll subscribe na program won fana anytime ma jibe ali mako yi alka like ka to wole kan tolla do ko mako ya ka samba nyato am benna mo fana nimbara la mbe masin tiyo to mo kalantang len do bari insani nimbara do min keta Ibrahima Jawate ala baraka bake bye bye